So it is 3:37 right now in the morning. We've been up for a half hour so far. I'm still completely asleep because we went to bed at 11:30 last night, but we're about ready to hit the road.
This is kind of a gangster little cooler. It probably keeps ice really well.
It's alright. It's not terrible. It's 5:30. We just got to the boat launch. Getting prepped, ready to go out.
Wild one. Okay, let's keep those other rods out of the water. Yep. Grab that one. On this one.
He's tugging.
Oops. Nice.
You got it, right? You got a good, pretty good fish, isn't it?
Yeah, looks like a good one.
Right there. Lock back to the back a little bit, Dan.
Okay. There we go.
Oh, whoops. Sorry, I lost it for a second.
Woo!
Is that a king? Good catch on, Dan.
Yeah.
Little one, but king. Scratch it down.
Nicely done, yes.
Oh, good job, guy.
Good job, man. Don't matter.
Woo!
Oh, that's a king.
Well,
Oh, yeah, son.
woohoo! Woohoo! Nice fish.
What happened?
Booyah.
Nice. Do a bottom up?
One of these cookies.
Oh, sorry, is the camera on? Put it on YouTube. Put it in your cup like.
Oh, yeah, that's a king.
Yeah, nice fish.
Ooh, that is a nice fish.
Head up. Rock it down.
Well done.
Nice work, Phil. There you go.
Switch to the green Dodger.
Got it right down, didn't it?
Nice fish.
300 yards. 20.
So you're talking about on the line? Oh, on the reel?
Yeah. Oh, I don't know how much drag set does a problem.
That's fine. That's just thumb it. You leave the drag loose, and then when you want to tighten it,
I'm
thumb
fine.
it and bring it back to you and reel it down. There you go, just like that.
Thank you. I'm good. I'm good.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Keep the tip up.
Let that $200 pole work for you, guy. That's what it's for. Like 45 degrees. So much nervousness though.
Everybody wants it landed.
There you go. Working it.
Pick up nice and slow and smooth on the rod. And just reel down. You're gonna have this full line.
Yeah.
I fucking burned my thumb.
Is it a pink?
Yeah. You should be close. It's pretty. That's alright. When that fish goes under the boat, you keep that rod tip away from the boat. There you go.
Oh, he's going under.
You're alright.
There you go.
You're okay. It's right there. It's right there.
There it is.
Oh yeah. Pull up. Don't let him stop. I'm spinning. Here, pull up nice and long, smooth, and reel down. There you go. Up
Beautiful
nice and
fish.
slow and smooth. Reel down again. Up nice and slow and smooth. Reel down. Up nice and slow and smooth. Reel down. Up nice and slow and smooth. Nice and slow and smooth. Right there. You're alright. Up nice and slow and smooth. Up nice and slow and smooth. There you go. Slow down. Now that thing gets its head out of the water, you're gonna lay that rod right down on the water. Drop it down.
Woo-hoo!
Big dog.
Nicely done.
There you go.
Did you see it? Not yet.
Keep pressure on him. Keep reeling, baby. Reel, 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 reel. There it is. Oh, nice and slow and smooth. Reel down. Nice and slow and smooth. Reel down. Table bench.
Up, rod tip 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 up. Nice work.
That is a hell of a fish. My goodness.
That's how you